I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of Somorrostro Beach, one of Barcelona's most iconic beaches. Located in the Barceloneta neighborhood, Somorrostro Beach has a rich history that dates back to the early 20th century. It was once a shanty town that housed the city's poorest residents, but it has since been transformed into a vibrant and popular destination for tourists and locals alike. As we make our way down the boardwalk towards the beach, you'll notice the bustling atmosphere of the area. The boardwalk is lined with street performers, vendors, and restaurants, all offering a unique taste of Spain. Once we arrive at the beach, you'll notice that it's much busier than some of the other beaches in the city. The wide expanse of sand is filled with people sunbathing, playing beach volleyball, and swimming in the sea. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Somorrostro Beach as much as I did. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.